Now the thing is, the biggest problem that everybody says in the agency world is that I can get leads for my clients, but my own leads, oh my God, that can only happen if I go to a conference and I meet people or word of mouth reference. And my ads don't work for agencies. That is, even now, a lot of agency founders are like, it's not for me. I like, it's like, and for me, it's like a gym trainer saying that, तेरी मैं body बना सकता हूँ, but यार, like, don't mind, but I don't work out. So, anybody would like to, your stories on, yes, Pankaj, on get leads.
सबसे पहले क्लाइंट को बोलना है कि आप अपने एड्स, मार्केटिंग, ये सारी चीज़ें कंसिस्टेंट रखो तो ही रिजल्ट आएगा। मुझे इतना पता है कि मैंने जब एड स्टार्ट किए थे 15,000 रुपये का बजट था, इससे स्टार्ट किए थे फॉर अ मंथ, मतलब पर डे रील्स। वो 1 साल हो गया, बंद नहीं किए। 15 से 30 गए, 30 से 50 गए, 50 से 70 गए। आज 2 लाख रुपये पर मंथ का, 3 लाख रुपये पर मंथ का भी बजट है। तो मुझे लगता है सबसे पहले तो आपको छोटे से स्टार्ट करके उसको कंसिस्टेंटली देखना चाहिए। अपने आप लोग आपको जानने लगेंगे और आपकी लीड की रेलेवेंसी उससे इम्प्रूव हो। अभी जितने भी लोग कहते हैं ना कि लीड की रेलेवेंसी नहीं आ रही, वो रेलेवेंसी से भी आ रही क्योंकि पहली चीज़ तो लोग आपको जानते नहीं हैं, और दूसरी चीज़ ये भी है कि आपके एड्स कंसिस्टेंट नहीं चल रहे हैं। कम से कम एक यूज़र जब तक 8 से 10 बार आपको देखेगा नहीं ना, तब तक वो एक सिंगल एड से नहीं आप फुल पड़े।
दिवाली पे देखेंगे, होली पे देखेंगे, मकर संक्रांति पे देखेंगे, ठंड में देखेंगे, गर्मी में देखेंगे, हर सीजन में देखेंगे, बोलेंगे आई नो दिस पर्सन, ये पूरे साल मेरे साथ रहा है। इन माई जर्नी ऑफ स्क्रोलिंग आई हैव सीन दिस पर्सन। So, Aditya, I'd like to ask you, because you are now going towards almost, like, your plan is to go towards almost 1 crore rupees a month in ads, right? So, but you're a maths guy. I know that you will not spend even 10,000 rupees if you can't see the outcome, right? So, but you're going towards 1 crore rupees. So does that mean that there is always a math, and once you figure out the math, so 1 crore is nothing. It's just a bigger amount for getting a return. And then even 10 crore, why not 10? So at a certain level, everybody should get to a level where they feel, I know and then I need to keep on putting more money, not less. I put in less money because I don't know how to multiply it. If I know how to, 5,000 रुपए बहुत महंगा है, लेकिन 5 crore सस्ता है, depends on if I know कि 5 है और 5 crore के मेरे 10 हो गए. So how do you explain this to yourself before you make such a big decision?
So to be very honest, I'm a stock market guy, and that's something we do in the stock market every single day. We come up with a strategy, we come up with an investment idea, and like once we identify that this particular strategy is giving me returns, and the only thing to do is consistently keep following that strategy every day, and as you keep getting more and more return, allocate more and more capital to that strategy, and that's how you make more profits.
Is this a name for it? Right? What is it called?
It's called pyramiding. That's what you call it, pyramiding. So you start, and you keep increasing your allocation to that strategy, making more and more money for you.
Sorry, just to interrupt over here. So Nishu, when you were saying, मैंने यहाँ तक टेस्ट कर दिया, so all of you people should have, between what Nishu said and what Aditya is where he's going, you should all have a number where you say, ठीक है, मेरे को 20 लाख रुपए तक पहुँचना है, मतलब क्योंकि मेरे को समझे नंबर तक पहुँचना है. So keep testing the way she's saying it, keep pyramiding, so that आपका बजट बढ़ता रहे. Like you should have a north star before we meet in the next 100 days. कि मेरा ad कहाँ तक जा रहा है, right? And if you're spending 40-50 lakhs in ads, great. That means आप उससे ज़्यादा ही कमा रहे होगे. Please continue.
That I apply to the market. I apply to my own business as well. Run multiple ads, see which one is working, see which one is giving you money, and start pyramiding. That's all. Like, it's not something new. It's not something different. It's just something that you are already doing in one market. Sort of diversify and apply the same principles in another market.
Yeah.
That was all that was. So basic fundamental.
Perfect. Love it.